I want to show you guys my base routine that I do when I'm in a rush. I think I can do this routine in literally sort of 3 minutes flat, if not less. Well, actually, maybe I'm pushing it. It's literally 3 products, 2 concealers and one kind of coverage slash glow product. I've done this whilst traveling on a train. Like, it's just super easy, super quick, but it does leave me looking flawless. It gives me the coverage that I need in that moment, in that rush, and yeah, I just look perfected after it. Right, so let's get into it. This is the Rimmel Multitasker Better Than Filters, and this is going to be the kind of base of everything. Of course, I do my skincare underneath this, so I'm applying moisturizer, etc., as normal, and then this is going over the top of all of that. So I get this on pretty liberally. When I'm doing this routine, I'm not thinking sort of about longevity as such. It's usually when I need to be out and about for a few kind of hours, and I just need a nice looking base to sort my face out. I do usually carry around powder with me as well, just in case I need to sort of powder down and set things as the day goes by. But this is essentially the product that gives me, like, it's a primer and coverage product in one. It gives me a really nice glowy base, but it has coverage. It's not just kind of a glow product, a glow primer. It blends out so quickly. I think I've spent about 2 seconds doing this. Not 2 seconds, but I think I've spent about, like, what, 20 seconds doing this. It's not covered everything, but it's kind of evened out my skin tone, especially around my chin. It's left me with a really nice base, a really nice glow. So yeah, that is the first product. The second product is this. This is the NYX Pro Fix Stick concealer, and I've got the shade, oh god, what is this shade? 12 Nutmeg, and this is like my skin tone concealer. It's so creamy, it's so lightweight, like it just melts into your skin like butter. So I'll get this into the areas that I just feel I need more coverage. I've got quite a few scar marks on my cheeks, around my chin, because my chin area is sort of darker, just on the side of my nose as well, and just, you know, sort of around my nose-ish area. Oops, I think mine is sort of half broken. There we go. And then I'll get it sort of in my forehead area as well. So you basically just scribble this anywhere you need it, and because it is a stick concealer, it's just so easy to apply. And then you just start blending out, and honestly, it gives such good coverage, but it's so creamy. I don't know how NYX did this. Really good formula. Stick concealers back in the day never were great with, like, the creaminess. They used to be very dry and, like, just difficult to use, kind of paste onto your face, but this is not that kind of concealer. So if that's something that you are worried about, it, trust me, it's not that kind of a concealer. It blends out so easily. It's so not time consuming. There you go, look at that. It just makes your skin look perfected. Third and final product is the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer. I have the shade 070 Honey, and this I use the tiniest amount just to brighten things up ever so slightly. So I'll just go into this kind of under eye area on my forehead, a little bit on my nose, maybe another dot here, and start blending that out. I like to use this to brighten things up, so that my face is just not looking so flat. It just gives a really nice finished look to your face. Just make sure that edge is really nicely blended out. It's all meshed in. And that's it. It literally takes me sort of, what, less than 5 minutes to do this routine, guys. And then I just top this up with mascara, brow gel, a bit of blush, lip gloss, lipstick, and you're good to go. Like, that was so quick and easy. I look so nicely covered, and it just took 3 products and sort of less than 5 minutes. I think 3 minutes tops to do this routine, and it's been saving me in a rush. Added bonus recommendation, this e.l.f. Duo brush. This is the Complexion Duo brush. This is so handy. This is what I blend everything out with. the concealer. You can literally apply all 3 products just with this single brush. I did use a separate brush because this had some existing like foundation concealer on it already, which I didn't want to mix in with this, so that I can show you exactly how much this covers and not kind of fool you guys into thinking it's got more coverage than it has. It is a very light coverage product, but it does have some coverage nonetheless to even things out and just quicken things up for you. That's it, guys. These are my holy grails at the moment, so leave your comments down below. Is there anything else that I should be trying for my complexion? Let me know if you guys have tried this, if you like these products as well, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.